Hello there, welcome back to another video, and today we are starting with decision trees for classification. And without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So as decision trees are nothing but they are like trees that we make in computer science. So like this, they can be binary or non-binary, it does not matter, but we have something called as root, and we also have then leaf nodes, and they can split multiple times according to the data. So this is the main idea behind decision trees, that we will represent our data as trees like these. Okay, so how does decision tree work? So let's think them as if else. So let me show you. So what we are going to do is we are going to see, okay, let's suppose we are using Outlook. We have this data that we are seeing how is the weather, what is the temperature, what is the humidity, and is there any wind or not, and on the basis of that can we play outside or not. Okay, so for what we are so for this what we are going to do, we are going to make a decision tree. And for now you can think them as if else, but they are not really if else, but for now you can think them of as if else. Okay, so let's suppose what we are going to do, we are going to set, okay, our outlook. If we have sunny, then we are going to go here. If we have outlook, then if we have overcast, then we are going to go here. And if we have rain, then we are going to go over here. So this is a kind of if else key. If we have sunny, then our decision will be based on this. If we have sunny, our decision will be based on this. And if we have rain, our decision will be based on this. So if we will have rain, then it is certain that we are not going to play output, so output will be no. Okay, then if it is sunny, then we are going to check for the temperature. Let's suppose if we have already said that, okay, the outlook is sunny, then we are going to check the temperature. If the temperature is hot, then output is going to be no. And if the temperature is, let's say, cold, then the output will be yes. This is just to get you the idea like how decision trees are going to work. And similarly we are going to get over the humidity, the wind factor, and everything, and on the basis of that we are going to get our output play. Okay, so this is the main idea behind decision trees, that how this is how we are going to create our trees. Not exactly, we are not going to use if else, but we are going to use, there are two methods by which we can make our decision trees. Okay, so let's make them. The first method is information gain, and the second method is information gain, not information gain, entropy and information gain, and the second method is Gini index. So we can make a decision tree on the basis of both of them. So for our tutorial we are gonna use entropy and information gain, but I'm gonna tell you how you can also do it with Gini index at the end of the tutorial. So this was it for this video. So in the next video I'm gonna tell you the math behind the decision trees, like how we are gonna create this decision tree with the help of the entropy and the information gain. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.